to show you how to do a lateral traveling 8. Now there are 3 versions of this movement. So the base position where you begin and end the movements is called deep 8, what I'm doing right now. You may also hear this called the low squat or yoga squat, but in animal flow it's called deep 8. So the first version is the low hip version. So as I shift forwards, my heels are going to lift up. I'm going to reach the hands across my body. So if I'm traveling to the left, hands are going to reach across, planting at the same time to the left corner here, hands plant shoulder width. I'm going to lean forwards. So I want to bring my shoulders past the wrist line here. So from a side view, just showing that for a moment. Leaning forwards. In animal flow, we call this a forward shoulder load. The shoulders go in front of the wrist. So back here, reaching across the body, lifting the heels up. I'm going to shift forwards, getting more of the weight into the hands. I'm going to jump off my feet, and the trailing foot is going to land first. So when I'm going to the left foot is going to be in front, right foot is trailing behind. So I want to plant the right foot first. And left foot coming back to a deep 8 position. So once more, left side lateral traveling 8. Do that 2 more times, going to the right. So now my left foot is going to be trailing behind. I want to plant the left foot first. Reaching across my body, heels lift up. Knees are going to come down low. I'll jump off my feet and plant the left foot first. And one more time. So here my right leg is sort of angled out 45 degrees between the hands. And then the left knee is going to come in between, angled the opposite way. So that's version 1, the low hip version. So version 2 of lateral traveling 8 is the high hip version. You're going to bring your hips up higher, maybe coming into a tuck balance and pausing there if you're able to. So I'm going to take a different angle for this one so you can see it at. So I'm going to travel to the left, and it starts off the same. If I'm going to the left, hands reach across the body, planting at the same time. I'm going to lift up, aiming to stack my hips over the shoulders, coming into a tuck balance. And again, going to the right. The flooring is a little bit uneven here. I'll try and get a couple more takes and get a little bit more air time. That was a good one. And ideally you want to try and lift and land lightly as you do this. So one more time. So that was version 2. Version 3 of the lateral traveling 8 takes up a lot more space as it's a wide-legged version. So it's going to begin the same as version 1. I'm going to keep the hips low as I do this. So going to the left, right foot lands first. And here's where it changes. I'm going to extend the left leg, reaching the foot out. I'm going to come into a bit of a wider squat here. I'm going to continue to the left, doing another repetition. And I'm going to have to draw the right foot in, planting right foot down, extending left leg. I'll do 2 reps to the other direction. right side lateral traveling 8, version 3. Might also be called the wide-legged version. So now extending the right foot. One more time, I'll see if I got space. Okay, just barely. So that was version 3 of lateral traveling 8.